The human brain. It's a mysterious organ, a marvel of biological engineering. It's responsible for everything we do, from the simplest tasks to the most complex thoughts. We think with our brains, processing information, solving problems, and making decisions. We feel with our brains, experiencing a wide range of emotions, from joy to sorrow, love to anger. We experience the world through our brains, interpreting sensory information from our environment. But how does this incredible organ actually work? How do billions of neurons communicate to create our reality? How does this 3-pound mass of tissue allow us to experience the wonders of the universe, to dream, to imagine? Let's embark on a journey to unravel the secrets of the human mind, to understand its complexities and marvels. Our brains are constantly active even when we're asleep. They process memories, consolidate learning, and prepare us for the day ahead. They process information from the world around us, integrating sights, sounds, smells, tastes, and touch into a coherent experience. They control our movements and bodily functions, sending signals to muscles, organs, and systems to keep us alive and functioning. The brain is the ultimate command center, orchestrating the symphony of our existence, coordinating every thought, feeling, and action. It's a network of connections, constantly adapting and changing, allowing us to learn and grow. It fuels our creativity, our ability to innovate and imagine new possibilities. It enables us to connect with others, to build relationships, and to understand the world around us. From birth to old age, our brains shape who we are, guiding us through the journey of life. The human brain, our control center, is truly a wonder of nature, a testament to the complexity and beauty of life itself. To understand the brain, we must first understand its basic structure. The brain can be divided into 3 main parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain, responsible for higher-level thinking, sensory perception, and voluntary movement. The cerebellum, located at the back of the brain, plays a crucial role in balance, coordination, and motor learning. The brainstem, connecting the brain to the spinal cord, controls essential life functions such as breathing, heart rate, and sleep-wake cycles. The cerebrum is the most complex part of the brain. It is the center of our thoughts, emotions, and actions, playing a crucial role in our daily lives. It is divided into 2 hemispheres, the left and right, each controlling the opposite side of the body. The left hemisphere is often associated with logical thinking, analytical skills, and language, while the right hemisphere is linked to creativity, intuition, and spatial abilities. The cerebrum is further divided into 4 lobes: the frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, and occipital lobe. Each lobe has distinct functions that contribute to our overall brain activity. The frontal lobe, located at the front of the head, is responsible for planning, decision-making, and personality. It also plays a key role in voluntary movement, problem-solving, and controlling our behavior and emotions. The parietal lobe processes sensory information such as touch, temperature, and pain. It helps us navigate our environment by integrating sensory input to form a coherent picture of the world around us. The temporal lobe, located near the ears, is involved in hearing, language comprehension, and memory. It is essential for processing auditory information and is also crucial for the formation and retrieval of memories. Lastly, the occipital lobe, located at the back of the head, processes visual information from the eyes. It interprets the signals received from the retina, allowing us to understand and respond to the visual world. The brain is made up of billions of nerve cells called neurons. Neurons are the building blocks of the nervous system. They communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals. These signals travel along pathways called synapses. When a signal reaches the end of a neuron, it triggers the release of chemicals called neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters cross the synapse and bind to receptors on the next neuron. This process continues, relaying information throughout the brain and body. Section 5. Brainwaves, the Electrical Symphony. The electrical activity of neurons generates brainwaves. Brainwaves are rhythmic patterns of electrical activity. Scientists can measure brainwaves using a technique called electroencephalography, or EEG. EEG helps us understand brain states like sleep, wakefulness, and attention. Different brainwave patterns are associated with different mental states. For example, alpha waves are prominent during relaxation, while beta waves dominate during focused attention. Studying brain waves provides valuable insights into brain function and dysfunction. Section 6. Peering inside MRI and PET scans. Scientists use advanced imaging techniques to study the brain in action. Magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI, uses powerful magnets and radio waves to create detailed images of brain structures. Positron emission tomography, or PET scans, track blood flow and metabolic activity in the brain, revealing which areas are active during specific tasks. These imaging techniques have revolutionized our understanding of the brain. They allow us to observe the brain in real time, unraveling the mysteries of thought, perception, and behavior. Section 7. A workout for the mind stimulating brain regions. Different activities stimulate different brain regions. For instance, reading activates language processing areas in the temporal lobe. Listening to music engages auditory areas in the temporal lobe and emotional centers in the limbic system. Solving math problems recruits the parietal lobe for spatial reasoning and the frontal lobe for decision-making. Physical exercise benefits not only the body but also the brain. It increases blood flow to the brain, promoting the growth of new neurons and enhancing cognitive function. Section 8. The adaptable brain, plasticity and growth. The brain is incredibly adaptable. It can change and reorganize itself throughout life, a phenomenon known as brain plasticity. Plasticity allows us to learn new skills, form memories, and recover from injuries. Experiences shape our brain's structure and function. The more we engage in an activity, the stronger the neural connections associated with that activity become. This is why practice is crucial for learning and mastering new skills. Section 9. Memories, a trip down memory lane. Memories are the threads that weave the fabric of our lives, connecting our past to our present and guiding us into the future. Memory is the brain's remarkable ability to store and retrieve information. It allows us to learn from our experiences, recognize familiar faces, and recall important facts and events. There are different types of memory, each serving a unique purpose. These include short-term memory, long-term memory, and working memory. Each type plays a crucial role in how we process and use information daily. Short-term memory holds information for a brief period, typically seconds to minutes, allowing us to remember a phone number just long enough to dial it. In contrast, long-term memory stores information for extended periods, from days to a lifetime, enabling us to recall childhood experiences or historical facts. Working memory is like a mental workspace. It allows us to hold and manipulate information in our minds, such as solving a math problem or planning our day. This type of memory is essential for reasoning and decision-making. Memories are not stored in a single location in the brain but are distributed across different regions. This distribution allows for a more robust and flexible memory system where different aspects of a memory, such as sights, sounds, and emotions, are stored in various brain areas. The hippocampus, a seahorse-shaped structure in the temporal lobe, plays a crucial role in forming new memories. It acts as a sort of gateway, processing and consolidating information from short-term to long-term memory, ensuring that our experiences are encoded and stored for future retrieval. Section 10. The colorful world of emotions. Emotions are an integral part of the human experience. They are processed in the limbic system, a complex network of brain structures that includes the amygdala, hippocampus, and hypothalamus. The amygdala, an almond-shaped structure, plays a key role in processing fear and other emotions. The hippocampus is involved in forming memories associated with emotions, while the hypothalamus regulates physiological responses to emotions such as changes in heart rate and breathing. Section 11. The universe within, appreciating our amazing brains. The human brain is an extraordinary organ. It is the most complex structure in the known universe. Its intricate network of neurons, synapses, and brain regions allows us to think, feel, learn, and experience the world around us. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the brain, we gain a deeper appreciation for the wonders of human consciousness. Our brains are capable of incredible things. Let us cherish and nurture these remarkable organs that make